Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the display orientation on RAZER Blade 15. To do it, go to Settings, then in Settings go to System, then find Display, and now you should see Display Orientation. I doubt you wanna do it on a laptop, but if you do, you can change it. You can set it to Landscape Portrait, Landscape Flip, or Portrait Flipped. So I'm gonna set it to Portrait right now, and I'm gonna click on Keep Changes, and you can see it's in this orientation right now, and I'm gonna go back, or maybe let's set it to Landscape. So let's do it like that. Now I can keep changes, and now let's go back to Landscape, and let's click on Keep Changes. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.